Welcome back. In today's video, I am doing an after dark power hour. Stay tuned. Today's video is a nighttime power hour. Eric is actually in Germany and Logan is out with friends, so I have the night to myself. It's about 9 o'clock, so I'm going to clean from 9 to 10 and then I'm going to enjoy some me time. So I have made a list of some things that I want to accomplish in that hour, and I even put some extra things down. So basically we're going to time this and we're going to see how fast I can do it. I hope this motivates you to do a power hour as well, and you can do one anytime. You can do one in the morning, in the afternoon, or like me, even at night. Sometimes I enjoy the nighttime ones, and I'm going to try to find some relaxing nighttime music to put with my cleaning. So let's look at the list and then we will get busy. Okay, here's my list of what I would like to accomplish in this hour, and I just kind of broke it down into the rooms that I need to hit tonight. And I just started with the kitchen. I need to unload the dishwasher. I normally do that in the mornings, but being alone, I eat takeout, so I'm going to do that tonight. I'm going to wipe down the countertops, clean out the fridge because the trash picks up tomorrow. I need to wipe down the table, and I need to clean the sink. In the living room, I need to dust. In the office, I need to dust my desk, and I want to clean and organize 2 shelves on my bookcase in there. In the laundry room, I need to wipe down the cabinet. In my bedroom, I need to dust, I need to pick up, and I would like to organize my makeup bag. And extras, clean out the car, and clean out my purse. So those are just if I get these things done in an hour. But having to move the camera around, I'm not sure. We'll see. One thing that I do not like about the kitchen is the location of my dishwasher. I normally end up unloading the top and having to close it up to put the items away and then unload the bottom, but that's okay. I'm used to it. This is my new mug that says Live, Laugh, Love, and I'm in love with it. And you will see me looking up at the camera a lot. Sometimes I smile. I was having trouble focusing and getting the right shots, so I'm just going to put on some music and get busy cleaning.
I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest and pray to my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't want to face it. You think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up, please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors. I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. And throw our problems in the flames. Ooh, throw our problems in the flames. I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please?
I love to listen to self-growth podcasts as I clean. If you guys know of any good ones, please let me know because I am looking for something that is motivational. So I had to charge my battery for just a little bit before I could continue filming. So I stopped at 9:18 and I charged it for 10 minutes, almost 10 minutes. So it is 9:27 now. So I'm just going to subtract 10 minutes from that. When I do a power hour, I do not do like my weekly deep cleaning where I take everything off of the surfaces, clean the surface as well and clean everything and put it back on. So that's kind of why I'm not removing everything. Also, I know you guys can see some dog toys in the background and I cannot wait to get rid of those gray chairs. I just need to get them out soon. Also, when I move into my office, I am going to clean 2 top shelves. Basically what I'm doing is I am moving my Mary Kay stuff out. I used to sell it and now I'm just using it for personal use. So I'm just slowly making that into just an office without the product.
Time to dig deep underneath this red heat. We could really meet. Layers. It's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off. The air will be richer, and everything's so much easier. We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave. Scary. It can be rough and quite fearsome, but to win big you gotta risk some. And I'm not like the other ones. Oh, we don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Oh, love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave. No, no, no. We can do as we please. Don't. Listen to them as they preach. We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act strong. It's been too long. This love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me. We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act so strong. It's been, oh, we don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act so strong. It's been too long.
I spent exactly an hour and I did not get to clean out the inside of my car or my purse, but I did finish everything else on my list, and then I enjoyed some nice me time. So I just thought I would kind of show you guys the after pictures of everything that I accomplished tonight. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new, I would love to have you in my YouTube family. Just click on the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can receive an update each and every time that I post. Thank you guys so much for always loving and supporting me. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one.